I put all my items in my workplace and do not find items when needed, which is very frustrating. Unorganized messy workplace is equal to unorganized messy mind. Today I am going to show how do I organize my workplace to get more productivity. If your workplace is also unorganized, then let's first start with cleaning up everything from here. Collect all the papers, pens and empty the whole space. Now remove the dust and give it a good wipe. An empty space will give you an idea where to keep the most wanted things. My workplace have few cabinets near it, which allow me to keep the necessary items nearby. Let us start organizing from pen and sketch pens. I have this cute pen holder where I will put all the pens and sketch pens. I have another pen stand where I will put some sketch pens and highlighters. I will put this plant in this area, which will give a relaxing and calming effect while working. One of the key accessories on my workplace is Alexa. I used to set timers for my difficult work. Alexa, set a reminder for 40 minutes.
What's the reminder for?
Take a break.
Okay, I'll remind you in 40 minutes.
If you have seen my other videos on productivity, you know that I break my day into 3 parts. I always try to reduce the distraction by setting an alarm, closing the door, turning off notification, and repeating the same. I have few containers where I put all the similar items. Here I am keeping post-its. I keep separate files for utilities, insurance, warranty and bills, bank and travel documents. In this container, I'll keep all the power banks and hard drive and will keep my pen drives and SD card in a separate small container. In this container, I will put all measuring tapes and cable ties. I will put all the cables which I need frequently in this container. After the day's work, I always keep my headphones in its case. And all it's done. I have this rotating office chair which helps to keep nice posture and keep myself relaxed while working. The workplace is nicely organized and looking so beautiful. I put my notebooks and planner in this area. All the products shown here are given in the description. You can check it out if you want. If you find this video will help you to get organized in your day-to-day life, then please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more productive and healthy videos from my channel. Stay happy, stay healthy. See you soon all in my next video. Till then, take care.